Hi everybody, how you doing? This is Greg from Good Old RVing, and I just have a short video. I was at IKEA the other day, as you can see right here, IKEA, and saw this cool little bathroom mirror on an adjustment, and needed something so I could shave in the shower. And so I got this little baby right here, and had to figure out a way to put it in the shower without putting holes in the shower walls. That was tricky. Here we go. Boom. Double-sided 3M tape. This is the heavy-duty outdoor stuff. So I just put this along the back side of that right there. And voila, there it is right here. Mounted it on there, as you can see right here. I can pull on it, the whole wall will shake before it comes off, and so we're in good shape here. And so it comes out, stretches out pretty far. You can bring it all the way over here, put it up here, however, put it all the way back. It has a big side and a small side. So that's that. Then accordion it all the way back in. And boom, out of the way. And as you can see, shower doors are nice and clean because I got that water softener going now. And so this is just a short video, and just thought it'd be fun to share this because you could use it just about anywhere, even in a van, because you could tuck it out of the way and you could bring it to wherever you're comfortable sitting or standing. So have a great day. Safe travels. Bye.